Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS UX425E. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS UX425E won't charge at all, you may experience frustration as your device becomes unusable. This issue commonly arises due to a faulty battery or charging port, and if left unresolved, it could lead to further complications or even permanent damage to your device. But don't worry, we can guide you through the repair process. For this repair, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new battery compatible with the ASUS UX425E. First, ensure you power off your device completely and disconnect it from any power source. To safely open the laptop, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is removed, you'll see the battery located near the center of the device. The battery is typically held in place by a few screws which you will need to remove using your Phillips screwdriver. As you do this, remember to keep the screws safe as they will be needed for reassembly. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the battery's connector from the motherboard. It's important to do this gently to avoid damaging the connector pins. Now, you can lift the old battery out of the compartment. Take your new battery and place it in the same position, connecting it to the motherboard securely. Once the new battery is in place, replace the screws to secure it. Make sure not to over-tighten them, as this can cause damage. Now, carefully reattach the back cover, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. Once everything is back in place, power on your device to check if it charges correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To help avoid this issue in the future, make sure to regularly calibrate your battery by fully charging and discharging it every few months. Additionally, always use a genuine charger to prevent any compatibility issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.